guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna do a bed and bougie, cooking out with a makeup look, because I did a poll on Instagram about what makeup look to do, and so far what I saw, Boujie won by a landslide. Nobody even vote for budget. I was gonna do budget too. I just wanted to see, like, you know, what am I gonna record first. So I'm gonna record Boujie first and then maybe budget tomorrow. Not sure, but yeah, I'm gonna do those two. I just wanted to make sure, you know. So this is all my the most expensive makeup I own. And I know I have a couple of expensive stuff, but everything else is like high end. But I have some luxury. Don't get it twisted, bitch. So if you want to see how I look, like, keep on going, bitch. Keep on watching. And also, I'm gonna put the prices up here or up here. I don't know where it's gonna post at. But yeah, I'm gonna put the prices somewhere else up here. Anyway, so the first thing I have as primer is the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer. And this is like one of my favorite primers, hands down, because it really blurs your skin and it does like moisturize it, and the scent smells so good. Smells so good. Like dead ass. So I'm gonna put some on, and yeah, on to the next. Okay, so the next foundation that I have, sorry about that. Okay, the next thing I have is foundation, and I have the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Cover Foundation. If you're a drag queen, you will fucking stand this foundation. This is full coverage. You could fucking hide your fucking dick print with this shit. Like, girl. The house. But yeah, this is in the shade Honey.
Oh, honey.
Oh,
honey.
Oh, girl.
Oh, honey. Oh.
Honey medium. This is, I'm gonna put the prices like I said, so you'll see. But yeah, this is full coverage cunt, bitch. And I haven't worn this in a minute. Like, before I shook this up, you could see the oil up top. Like, it was oil. So I need to give it a good shake. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna break out of this. This is like, I think 5 years old or 4 years old. Something like that. If you see me next time. Oh my god, I'm really that fat. I just fucking shook this and then I think my brush just fell.
Not a good thing. Okay? Not back to the
Sorry if you can hear me meowing. This old ass fucking cat in the background keep on meowing. Shut the fuck up. I don't know, fuck up. But anyway, just shake it like you're, you know, doing something to your man. Shake weight TINGZ. What's tea? But yeah, oh my god, I'm gonna get demonetized, bitch. I ain't even making no money off of it, man. Anyway, so yeah. Just shake it, shake it, shake it like you a bartender making shots, bitch. So yeah, alright. Sorry about that. Let's get into it. Okay, so the next thing is concealer, and I have the Too Faced Born This Way multi-cover, multi-sculpting concealer. And I love this one. It's one of my personal favorites because it's like hydrating and it's full coverage. So it's the best of both worlds. It's the best of both worlds. I have really dry under eyes. Girl, they're drier than your mom's DMs. Yes, I said your mom's. Anyway, you only need a little bit. This is in the shade Warm, Light Beige. Okay, so since we're all concealed from our issues, you know, being problematic.
You can't relate.
Let's start with setting the bitch. Alright, so we're gonna go into the shade. I mean, this is Laura Mercier powder. And to me, I don't see all the hype, to be honest, because it's like a regular powder in my opinion. Like, you know, I don't see the hype. My favorite loose setting powder is the Fit Me. And girl, it's like the third of the price. Let's get to setting. Okay, so I'm about to do my brows off camera because they take too long and I want this video under 15 minutes so I can post it on iMovie. But yeah, I just set it and forget it, just like my past exes. You know who you are, bitch.
Period. 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 Nothing else to say, like, period. Period.
Anyway, see you later. Hey guys, so yeah, I just did my brows and now it's on to eyeshadow. So this is the palette that motivated me to do this whole video. It's the Pat McGrath Mothership 5. And bitch, when I tell you this shit is bank, bitch, it's $125. It's like, oh my god, like that's fucking crazy. I didn't buy it though. You must be. If you think I'm gonna buy that shit. I got stuttering things. Anyway, so yeah, I got this from Christmas. If you didn't see, I did a video on it, you know, before the hiatus. So yeah, this, I only use this if I'm going out. Like, bitch, if I'm going to the fucking Capitol Grill, if I'm going to the Cheesecake Factory, you know, Boujie TINGZ, what's up, you know? So yeah, because I'm not going to use it to fucking go to the fucking supermarket, you know? Like, what the fuck, no. So yeah, I'm gonna do a tutorial on this, you know, a quick look. I'm not gonna really go step by step. I'm just gonna do like a quick thing because, you know, I'm trying to keep this video under 15 minutes so I can upload it on iMovie. It won't be a hassle. That's the secret thing. What's up? So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look starting now. Okay guys, so I'm sorry that I stopped doing the rest of the eyeshadow, but this is how it turned out. You know, like a basic brown smoky. Next step is mascara. And yeah, the mascara that I have is the Lancome Grandiose Drama Mascara, I believe it is. So yeah, I don't use this at all, but look at the wand. Like, it's so spiky, you could fucking stab a hoe. Yeah, this is what the wand looks like. It's like a spiky mess. Like, you could stab a hoe. So I always poke out my eye when I use this mascara, so pray for me, guys. Okay guys, so the next step is bronzer, and it's one of my personal favorite bronzers. It's the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronzer. This is why I bought this shit. Yes, I did, with my own coin, and it was, it cost I was torn between this one and the Fenty one, but look at the color, like, it's so pretty. It's like a perfect bronze. I don't use it a lot because I don't want to waste it. I already like took off some of the ridges on it, so that's how you know I love it. So yeah, it smells so good too. It smells like coconut. Oh my god. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, when YouTubers exaggerate, bitch, I keeps it real, and this does smell like coconut. Like, that's why because it actually does. Like, girl, if you buy this or even smell it at Sephora, you won't be disappointed. So yeah, so I was gonna contour today, but the only contour thing I have is this mist thing. And girl, last time I checked, girl, you already know the drama. Do something to your kids and then holla at me. Even though I did spend 50, yo, this shit was expensive. They don't even have this shit in Sephora, man. Ooh, they don't even have this in Sephora. They're trying to be shady. Not bothered. Anyway, on to blush. Yeah, on to blush. So the next blush that I have is the Anastasia Blush Trios. I need to start using this more because it's so good. This is like low-key the only high-end blush I have because I love the Milani one and the Rimmel one that I use all the time. I always use those two. So I don't really use this one, but I'm gonna use it today. This is the Peachy Love one. So I'm gonna do a mixture of all three and put it on my cheeks. So yeah guys, the second to final step, highlight. And this is my most expensive highlighter and it's from no other than Miss Jeffree Star. Yes, the Supreme Frost highlight. I did a review on this and it went pretty good. Like it got like a good amount of views and that was everything, and I put my heart and soul into that video. But this is like one of my favorite highlights because I only use this when I go out. And like, this shit will steal your man, bitch. Like, it will make your man come to me, bitch. So that's on period. But anyway, this is in the shade Wet Dream. So let's get it cracking. Okay guys, so my last step is lip gloss. But before we get into that, I have to start, like, you know, it's gonna be ironic, but this Morphe pencil, I just picked it up from the KOP mall, like, you know, at the Morphe store, and it's bomb as fuck. It's so creamy. Look, it's in the shade Sweet Tea. Focus. Thank you. It's in the shade Sweet Tea. It's so good. Like, it's so creamy. Look. So creamy. It's only for $4. Girl, you better pick it up before I run out. Anyway, so yeah, the lip gloss that I have is the Dior Lip Maximizer. And I actually got this from Barbie Guts because he always uses this. And it's a really good lip plumper. It does fill in your lines so you look like you have DSLs, girl. Even if you have bacon strip lips, you're gonna get DSLs tonight with this glass. Anyway, let's put it on. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my most expensive makeup. So I hope you guys like it. And yeah guys, I'm sorry that the location is different. My phone died, so you know, I was panicking. A bitch was panicking, bitch. But yeah, this is the final look. And yeah, if you guys like it, you already know what to do, honey. Give me a big old thumbs up. Okay guys? I love you guys so much. And yeah, I love you, my moon babies.